Sculpt and paint with Deform brushes for Substance Painter by Artistique Squad. In this video we will see how to sculpt damage, deformation or decay, paint texture, or do both things at once inside Substance Painter using our product. Use it on objects like weapons, armor, soft models like cushions, sports balls, even skin or fruit, and almost anything that you want to make damaged, deflated, or rotten. Once installed, open Substance Painter and select brushes in the shelf. Create a sub-shelf with the brushes of the pack. Now create a fill layer on top of the materials. Add a black moss to the layer. Add a paint sublayer to the mask. Just click on the brushes for loading them. Here you can set the brush size. Grayscale sets the intensity of the brush. There are several size modes. For a larger brush, use viewport or texture. In object mode, the brush size depends on the size dial. In viewport mode, it also depends on how far or close you look at the model. In texture mode, the brush size is proportional to a part of the texture map of the model. Deactivate all material modes of the fill layer except height. Set height to a negative value up to -1. Now select the paint layer and use the brush on the model. Let's activate the color material mode 2 on the fill layer. We set a color for the fill layer. Now the brushes will apply color and sculpt at once. We can use the brushes for painting only. We set another color. Now you can paint color with the brushes. You can use several brushes for best results. Now we are going to detail this helmet. We create a fill layer and deactivate all modes except height. We set height to -1. Make a black mask and add a paint layer. Select the paint layer and set grayscale to some value. Set it low or high depending on the results. Now use different brushes on the model. This model is using Metal 010 from our 100 Metals for Substance Painter product. With our pack you can sculpt height directly in Substance Painter. Remember to adjust grayscale if you need more intensity. And you can render to check the results.